At Chabad of the Space and Treasure Coasts, we are thankful for your support. While we write our appreciation on just about anything possible, the effects of your support we can't put words on. During these tough economic times, our community needs us more than ever, but we can't keep our day-to-day vital programs running without you. Together, we can get by if you get Chai. Become our Chai partner. Please enter an amount below that we can count on every month for the next 12 months, or a one-time Chai stimulus.